Hi friends, I'm in Dollar General and I'm finding all kinds of $1 Christmas deals. Let's go shopping. So I'm back in Dollar General and they are rolling out Christmas. I'm here to show you guys everything that they're putting out. First off, the pillows. There are going to be more pillows coming out. We're going to look at trees and decor and ornaments. I want to share with you guys all of the great deals that are hitting the shelf so you don't miss out. Let's start off with the $1 wall of ornaments and get into some of the best deals of the season.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains prolong? What the gladsome tidings be, which inspire your helpless song? Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Choirs of angels praise. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid, while our hearts in love we raise. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
When it comes to buying ornaments, you cannot find them anywhere else for just $1. I know that Walmart's got them for $2 and Dollar Tree's $1.25, so you may want to head in if any of these were right up your alley. Now, there's a few other things I want to point out to you guys. I can't believe how many retro vintage vibed items that they have. And remember, ornaments are a great way to dress up a gift package if you're wrapping it and want it to be extra special. Now, they do have a few oversized ornaments, so these are little light up LED snowmen for $3. They do have some little tabletop plush trees for $3. I'm sure we'll be seeing more decor as the season moves on. They've got a ton of ribbon. Now I'm actually eyeballing these because you get 4 ornaments for $3. That's under $1 an ornament and they're a great size. I'm eyeballing the gold ones. They also have this set where you get 3 for $3. They've got the candy cane stripe in red as well as green. Tons of little collections from the Santas in this little mini box for $3. And then up here some more traditional. They even have these in a grapevine style. Yes, they're covered in glitter, but they're super lightweight lightweight, and they will give quite a good sparkle for ornaments for $3. They also have these that are wrapped in sort of a velvet fabric. They have it also in plaid as well as cream. Again, 3 for $3. You can't beat it. Now these are a little pricey. You're going to find better prices on these Santas at places like Walmart. Be sure to check out my videos on Walmart where I have shared everything that they're putting out, and oh my goodness, they are winning the decor game for Christmas this year. They have a few little items. I feel like this could be painted better, but if you're like a Jeep lover, they also have some lanterns for $2 and then the stuffed deer for $3. They even have some in the teal color, and then they've got these larger ornaments. This reminds me of Big Lots, 3 for $3, and they come in a few different versions, but this ribbon for just $1 you cannot beat. They have some really vintage looking prints like that Santa on the turquoise background, and then they've got some gingerbread ribbon. And I've been to 2 Dollar Generals. It was sold out at one, and I found it at the other so I could show it to you guys. So if you are a gingerbread lover, check out Dollar General where you can pick up a whole thing of ribbon for just $1. They also have this oversized ribbon for $2 in Santa, and they're putting out the set of 2 lit boxes for $18. It's an amazing deal, but this I think is going to fly off the shelves. Now the vintage Santa is cute. This is sort of a stuffed front door hanger, but look at the one in the back. It was a gingerbread, so cute, well done, kind of vintage looking, and $5. Now in the decor section, they're starting to roll out a few things. They brought back the gold trees in the hurricane style for $12. They also have these pieces that look super modern for $10. I found it in the red as well as the white. Of course they need fluff, but I do appreciate the nice modern look of the base on those. Now over here I'm finding a few more great deals. This is actually a tree topper. It is a snowman hat for $6. Comes in a red as well as a black version. Great price on that. They also have these little picks. Now they are $3, so a little pricey. They have the $1 hanging solar snowman, and then these for $2 that are great for a walkway. They have lots of novelty items. I thought these were super cute for $3 a piece. Now you only get one leg, so just beware. Now they also have a lot of traditional Christmas nativity themed items, which I appreciate. So these items are tabletop decor for $5, and they do light up with batteries on the back. Down here they're putting out inflatables that are $4. These are $15. Now you might do better at places like Dollar Tree in the plus section where you can sometimes find them for $5. They do have $5 tree toppers and stars and angels, some small nativity scenes for $4. They have a few to choose from. I thought these were really nice. They also have the battery operated lights for $5. I found them in a few different versions, including the gingerbread for $5. Now they also have these cute little wooden houses, $3 a piece, that light up. You could definitely paint those to be gingerbread. And lights, they're putting out all the lights, including these little $1 battery operated LED candles. They come in a silver, gold, as well as a red. I can think of a million DIYs for those. They also have the really cool light mix. These hook up to whatever music you're playing and coordinate for $10. This is amazing. So these are battery operated clip-on candle lights. One battery pack. They are corded, be warned. They have some leaning signs for $12 that light up, and then these little gnomes for just $5. They don't even have a kickstand on the back. They're more of a hanging piece of decor, but they're only $5. Now these for $1 are great little gift bags. They are a velvet texture. They come in the blue, the turquoise, as well as the red for just $1. And their socks are just $1. And yes, I did bring home a pair of the gingerbread socks because you just never know when you're going to need to put together a last minute gift around the holidays. So they've got a lot of socks to choose from. They're going to beat out Dollar Tree on the price points. They also have these nice lawn ornaments. So $30 for the 3 deer and then $25 for the others. They've also got a few more animated stars that are light up LED tree toppers for $16. They also have some fun felted garlands that are 6 feet for $3, and the snowflake, the little reindeer, I think super cute, and then a snowman. And they do have these that are really pretty, the birch trees. They're $30, and that's probably what you're going to find them for at places like Walmart. Lots of lights, and oh my goodness, the garden stakes. You guys, they have gingerbread garden stakes. Are you kidding me? How cute are these? Now this is going going to beat out the prices that you'll find most places, except I think maybe Hobby Lobby with their 50% off sale. These might actually be the same price. I think these were $5. The other garden stakes were $4. They have it in an ornament, in the blue snowflake, and in the gift box. They also have these guys that are so cute. Now, I'm not a fan or like a collector of snowmen, but I just love the sweet little faces that they put on these. They also have a Santa. So this is a super lightweight door hanger, a piece of decor, and they have a Santa with a velvety blue hat. I just thought he was really cute. Now they have a ton of lights in different versions, battery operated to plug in, and they brought back the light up stacked snowman, as well as this guy that is a freestanding snowman with arms for $15. So I wanted to show you guys what he looked like, but this one didn't have the little light up switch. They are putting out 2 trees so far in the metallic for $5. They've got a rose gold and a silver. Up top, I'm finding all kinds of little tree toppers. Now, I believe those were actually only $3, and they had a ton of snowmen to choose from. Some more lawn ornaments, little train for $30, and then a leaning snowman sign, and I believe he was $5. They also have this, which is really hard to find anything in the nativity, and it is just $3. They have 2 different versions of that little lawn stake in a nativity, and this one comes in the Oh Holy Night. They also have a ton of garland, and I was surprised to see that most of it was actually light up garland, like this one for $10. They have this one that is a lot less branchy for $8. And then they have one covered in all kinds of flocking for $12. That's a 6-foot garland. They also have this one if you're a vintage lover in the silver tinsel for $10, and it does light up. And look at this tree collar for $12. I hope you can see it's got a beautiful city scene along the bottom that is embossed, and more pillows and more pillows and more pillows. But I want to show you guys, I think they have some of the best tree skirt deals around. $10. A lot of the pillows that they've got stacked around here as well are $10. They have the mini tree skirts in the 3 tinsel colors for $3, but some of these plaid tree skirts for $5 are just great deals, especially if you're doing a downsized Christmas, or maybe you have a classroom to decorate. These would be perfect. They have the tinsel in the larger one as well for $5, and I really like this one with the trees for $5. They're also coordinating all of their tree skirts to go with all of their stockings. So they have a sweater print with reindeer. They've got this one that is more a little bit velvet, and then these in the tinsel, as well as the Christmas scene for $5. But they have $1 stockings. Now they've got some great options for the kids, but this one is so retro and vintage. I could not believe it was just $1. This one is also $1, and they have them in plaid for just $1, as well as in the little elf style. It comes in the red on top, green on bottom, and the reverse with the bells for $1. I don't think you can beat that anywhere else. Now they do have some hats for just $1, and then the sequins ones were a little bit more at $3. But I'm telling you, Dollar General is putting out a ton of great deals for Christmas this year. They even have Christmas trees. So they have 2 versions at 4 feet. One is $20, one is $30. They also have a 6.5-foot tree for $50 and a plethora of Christmas lights for any occasion. I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to Dollar General. Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you want to see from here next. Thank you all so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you back very soon.